This text asks about human nature and then gives the answer so common in the ancient Israelite materialist school. Humans are organized dirt. But also, it says something quite relevant for the question of the mind and cognition. Notice the pronouns. What indeed is a human? He is but earth, pinched off clay, and to dirt is his returning. Yet you brilliantize him with venturings like these, and with the foundation of your truth you cause him to know. So the author here is saying that the very entity that is but earth, God has made that entity capable of brilliance and knowledge. And it really shouldn't be surprising that this ascribes thought to matter, given that it has a materialistic view of human nature to begin with. So in other words, if you take the view that humans are completely and solely corporeal, then of course you wouldn't ascribe their thoughts to a non-physical part because they have no non-physical parts. And this materialistic view of mind and cognition is exactly what we find in a number of texts. And the texts that we'll look at actually ascribe cognitive functions to specific bodily organs. So we're going to take it organ by organ. And first, maybe this will be surprising, but we'll start with the kidneys. I bless you, Yahweh, who have counseled me. Also in the nights, my kidneys have corrected me. So the kidneys correct. I, Yahweh, am examining heart and testing kidneys to give a man according to his way and according to the fruit of his works. So here, Yahweh is described as testing the heart and the kidneys. And what he is determining is the moral worth of the individual. So this ascribes to the heart and to the kidneys moral faculties. Notice also that the heart here must be the actual organ since it's spoken of right alongside the kidneys. And Yahweh of armies tests a right doer, seeing kidneys and heart. This is another text that says something very similar to the previous one, ascribing moral faculties to these organs. This text is from the Dead Sea Scrolls from a document called Bless My Throat. It says, my heart you attended, and my kidneys you sharpened, so they won't forget your laws. Obviously, this attributes to the heart and the kidneys the ability to remember or forget. And it's interesting to note that what is being remembered here are God's laws, which are of a moral character, so a connection with morality is maintained.